Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay Pryor, and in today's video we're going to be doing some maintenance. I have not been up to date with my maintenance, if you can't tell, for a couple days, more like a week or two, but I have been like doing prom and other things, so like my attention has been like everywhere, and now I get to focus on my maintenance. So I was like, let me just record a video doing everything that I normally do. What we're going to be doing is my hair and get a retwist in about a month, which is not too bad, but and it don't look bad now. I just need to, you know, do a nice retwist, do my hair, treat myself. Y'all gonna be down with me for the whole entire thing, so let's jump right into it. All right, so I'm currently in my bathroom. The first thing we're gonna do is wash my hair and do my styling. So I am gonna go with this style here, and as of lately I've been washing my hair with the African black soap. So I just cut me a little piece off here like this, and I would just take the bar and take it throughout my whole entire hair and wash it that way. I have been doing that for like maybe 3-4 washes now, and I have noticed the difference between the black soap and the shampoo. I'm starting to like the black soap more, to be honest with y'all. I've been getting good results with the black soap. It doesn't feel like it's drying my hair out or stripping it, so I think I'm going to stick with this a little bit more just to test it out a little further. But I am going to go ahead and wash my hair with that, and then I'm going to do the styling like I mentioned earlier. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I did go ahead and do my hot oil treatment. I went ahead and did that off camera. If you guys are interested in the process and the products I use, I do have links down in the description box below, but I'm just going to go ahead and take off the shower cap so y'all can see. This is how my hair is looking. I'm just going to go ahead and take out these braids and get right into it. Y'all see how it's sitting on the shoulder, right? Now that I'm out the shower, I'm just gonna go ahead and fix me some food because I'm so hungry, and I'm low-key more worn out than a diaper on a 2-year-old, but I'm gonna continue pushing through because we got so much to get done. So I'm just gonna make me some food, jump right into the process, and let's get it going.
Yeah, that's right. For the first shocking twist.
Play pole ball. I hate
A brony convention? I've been to furry conventions before.
gotta say, Circle, just try to keep up. Take me to my profile.
Alright, so now I'm just going to show y'all everything that I will be using for my retwist before I actually get started. So I have this leave-in conditioner that I'll be using. I also have my coconut milk detangler. A lot of the times the root of my hair, like when I don't retwist for a period amount of time, my roots start to stick together and I actually have to pull them apart. So I'm going to use my detangler so it can ease up on that process. And then I'm also going to be using my super hold retwist gel. And then of course I got clips, and the last item I'll be using is my comb. So let's get to it. This is a prime example of what I was talking about. So as you can see, these are two separate locks, but the root is combined. I'm just gonna spray my detangler mix on there and just pull it apart, and it shouldn't cause any breakage, and it should pretty much be easier to actually pull it apart than doing it with just conditioner. I feel like it'll get the job done, but since I have this on hand, why not? Alright, so I found the parting that I wanted to do. I did do like half and half, but if you guys are doing this style yourselves, just make sure you leave enough hair so when you do your barrel twist, you actually got a little bit of space to work with. Now that my hair is all sectioned out, I got the front in a section, I got the back in a section, and then I have my two pieces that I'm going to leave out sectioned, and I'm just going to wrap that up with the top here. Now I'm going to focus on retwisting the back, but I do want to keep that separate. Alright guys, so this is how my hair turned out. I'm absolutely loving it. I will do a 360 for you guys so y'all can see how it looks. And just in case y'all wondering, like, my lashes might look a little rinky dinky because this is actually a part of a self-care video. If you guys are interested in watching that video, I will have the link down in the description box below, showing me, you know, doing my self-care, my lashes, my eyebrows, nails, toes, hair, etc. But thank y'all so much for watching and spending y'all time with me. It means so much. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one.